Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see this was the most requested question guys, like we want the Razor integration in PHP. Okay, so on urgent basis because I got comment like it is very urgent, so I thought guys on that basis I'll create this video. Okay, so on other urgent basis I'm creating this video guys, where we are doing Razor integration using PHP. Okay, so here the database we are using and PHP we are using it. So the output will be like this. First I'll show the output is, you can see it's here is my database, okay, and here is my rates of payment. Okay, so I'll try to pay the amount first. Okay, so I'll take here is 100 rupees and I will pay the amount. Now you can see guys I'm paying the amount, so our the rates of checkout page is coming here, and if I check here in database, you can see guys here how the output will be. You can see guys whatever the data is submitted, that is name and amount is storing, and initially the status is pending. Okay, payment status, because still we have not done any payment. You can see guys. Okay, and even we did not got any payment because we have not done any payment for that. Fine. Next what I'll do guys, just I'll select the ICICI Bank net banking, and here I'll make the success. Now we'll see whether the data is stored or not in our database. Okay, so here the payment is getting on, and you can see this payment is successful. Okay, our payment got successful, and you can see thank you for your payment. Thank you for your payment. Your payment has been successful processing technician bills. So our payment got successful. If I go in database now, you can see this here. My name is there, my amount is there, then payment set is completed now. Earlier if I see it was pending, now it is complete. Okay, and here also we got the payment that you can see guys here. Okay, so this is the thing is, and if I go back to home, it will come again to my this page. Okay, so this is the thing guys. So now we'll see how this will work. Okay, so this is my code guys. So already I have done code, so I'll tell the how it is working. Okay, because it is very simple guys, and suppose if you want the full code with the typing and all, then you can comment in guys, because for that it will take more time. So I thought on urgent basis means directly I'll explain the code, and if you want that also guys, you can comment in comments. I will try to do that also. Okay, so that will come, but it will take some time. Fine. You can see guys here I have used the index.php. So here whatever the files I have used, that also show guys. First is my db.php, where I have done the db connection. You can see I have included the localhost root, and this is my database name. Okay, so this is the php format. You can see guys here. Fine. Then next guys, this is my main index file. Whatever the file you are seeing here, this is the index file. That file, this guys. Okay, this is second file. Then next I have payment underscore process. So here my payment process will work, which is in PHP. Okay, so this is the payment process. Then next last we are getting the thank you page, right? So this is the thing guys, where I have created for thank you page. Thank you page you can create whatever however you want, like that you can create guys. Okay, so this is thank you page. Fine. So now what we will do guys, we'll go here. First the database connection you got guys here, localhost is there, root is there, then php underscore payment is there. Okay, so this is the database connection. Next we'll go for index.php. You can see guys here what is happening. Here we are given the, here we are taken simple html tags, then here is raise up a payment, the title, then bootstrap we are used guys here for designing and all, and here my style is there guys. You can use whatever style you want to design this front page. We have used guys, you can design according to yourself, your however you want, like that. Okay, so here the body, container, heading tag, forms, custom buttons also are there. Okay, then next guys, main will see the form guys. Okay, you can see guys here is my form, where I have written the entire name and amount. If you want to include more what I can say input fields, you can do guys that also. Right now I have taken only the name and the amount. You can see here name and amount. Okay, fine. So here is name and amount. Then here you can see guys, here is my button, where pay now button is there, and here we are calling one function. You can see guys here on click pay now function is there. Okay, so on this click only it is happening everything. Fine. Then next you can see guys here there is a jQuery we are using, main.js and checkout page. Okay, so this checkout page we are using as this is a razor page checkout page. Suppose if I am not using this, then it will not work, so we need to use that, and this is we are using for jQuery purpose. Okay, Fine. Then next guys, now we'll see this function, that is pay now function. You can see here is my pay now function. Okay, so when I click on this pay now function, this will fetch the jQuery. What will do, it will fetch the name value and the amount only. So whatever the name value is there, this is the name ID, you can see this. Okay, so whatever the name value is there, it will take fetch, and whatever the amount is there, it will fetch, and it will store in name and amount. Okay, then later what it is, this is the thing is here by checking alerting, please fill out the both field. If the fields are empty, that time we are giving one alert. For example, if I click, you can see guys, please fill out both the fields. For that it is because to store the data in database, when I clicking, the data is getting stored in database. So for that, first it is checking it is there or not. Okay, so for that, then next what we are doing is, here you can see here by using jQuery Ajax. Okay, so here by calling this our payment underscore process dot php, here by using the post method, means we are storing the data in database. And in payment dot php, payment underscore process dot php, by sending the amount and name guys. Okay, so initially as I told you guys, when I click on this, it will store only the name and amount, right? So for that guys, this function we are calling, that is payment underscore process dot php. Okay, so here name and amount we are storing in database. So if I go here in database, okay, you can see guys. So when I call this guys, this method, then what will come is, it will come here and will take the amount and name it will take. Okay, so here you can see guys, here I included the database. I've started this session, included the database, then whatever the data we got from front end, that we're taking here, that is name and amount. Then this we're storing in the variable, that is dollar amount and dollar name. And you can see initially we are keeping the status as pending. This we have taken static only, here only we have taken data. Okay, pending. So initially the status is pending is, then here we are taking the updated date, on what date it is updated the data or added the data. Okay, then next what we are doing is, next by inserting this all data in our database. You can see insert into payment, the table name. I'll show the table name in payment, you can see it. Okay, then here by entering the amount, name, amount, then payment status and added on. Okay, so these things we are inserting, means this like this method we will use to insert in database guys. In php we use like this method. Okay, so here is amount, then name, status and added on. So everything we are adding in our database. Okay, then here we are taking one session id guys, that is OID, you can see here we are getting. Okay, so for that purpose we are calling this method. Then next what will happen is, on the success function result. Okay, if the payment is successful, for that what we are doing is, here we are including the key, that is our test key. Then next what we are doing, this is a common thing, is amount. We need to mention the amount, whatever the amount we are getting, this amount is, and into 100 because it will be in paisa, right? So we need to multiply this 100. Okay, so this amount is coming dynamically only, you can see here from here. Okay, then name you can change, then description you can add guys. Okay, then handler function you can add here. Okay, so in handler function what is happening is, when we got the success response, then that time what we are doing, here you can see we are using a post method, then again we are calling the payment under the process.php, right? Okay, then here we are getting the payment id, then response dot raise up underscore payment underscore, right? So here what is happening is, when we call this, so on success means our payment got succeed now, that time we are checking here the payment id and the session id. Okay, so both we are checking. Then next what we are doing is, that payment id we are storing in this dollar payment id, then we are updating our payment table with updated status, that is complete, and payment id where the session id is this, means comparing the session id, we are adding this all the things guys. Okay, session id is nothing but id guys. Okay, so this is the thing is, here we are updating. So later after doing the payment, when the payment is success, that time only we get the payment id, otherwise we will not get payment id. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, here our data will get success. Then when the data is success, that time what we are doing is, we are calling the thank you page, you can see. So it will locate to our thank you page. and this is to open the razor page. This you know guys, already I told why we use this. Okay, so like this what you can do guys, like this you can do your razor page integration in PHP. Okay, so this is a simple thing guys, very simple it is, you can do very easily. Fine. So next what I'll do guys, we'll see once again now. As I told you, here I'll go, this is my index.php page, you can see here. So before that what we need to do is, here no need to run directly, you can start from here server, or you can type like this case, localhost is a php index of php, and even XAMPP should get started. Okay, then only it will work, otherwise it will not work. Then here add the name guys, then add the amount, for example 100 or 50 rupees I'll add. Then okay, I'll do the payment. You can see guys here data. So the first function is called, now you can see it is pending initial status. So here we are now. Okay, now this is executed, we store the data in database. Because now this is pending because still payment is not success. So now we'll select one payment, now we'll do the success. So still it will not store, when it gets success then only. Okay, so now you can see this payment got success, here is my payment done. Okay, and here the thank you page, as I told you, here it will go to thank you page here. Okay, so this is that. Now if I go in my database, you can see this, here nothing is there. If I go, you can see guys we got the payment status also, even payment also. Okay, so like this it will work guys. So I hope guys you got how we are using or how we are integrating Razorpay payment gateway in our PHP. Okay, in PHP. Suppose if you have any question regarding this guys, and if you want this video full and by typing all the things, if I want to explain things, please comment in comment box. And if I like my videos, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much guys. And one more thing guys, if you have any if you're facing any difficulties guys, then you can comment in comment box. Okay, so thank you so much guys, keep supporting us.